Here are 5 Mac shortcuts that save hours built-in. Free. Almost no one uses them. Let us get straight into it. Number 1. Daily work setup in one click. Shortcut opens all your daily apps, browser tabs, and starts your work playlist. Runs from menu bar, a hotkey, or when your Mac wakes up. Takes 5 minutes to build. Saves 3 minutes of clicking every single morning. What it opens: browser tabs plus mail plus calendar plus Slack, all at once with one trigger. Number 2. Screenshot auto rename and save. Automatically renames screenshots with date and project name and saves to the right folder, built with Automator. Runs silently every time a screenshot is taken. Eliminates the desktop full of screenshot 2026-07-19 files permanently. How to build: Automator, folder action, rename, attach to screenshots folder. Number 3. Compress and send file. Select any file, run the shortcut. It compresses, renames, and opens mail with it attached. Works from right-click in Finder for any file or folder. One action replaces 6 manual steps every time you send a large file. Steps automated: compress, rename, open mail, attach. One right-click. Number 4. End-of-day shutdown routine. One hotkey. Saves open documents, quits all apps, empties trash, starts backup. A clean shutdown in one keystroke instead of 10 minutes of manual closing. Scheduled or hotkey triggered via Shortcuts app. Your choice. Trigger, custom hotkey, or 5 p.m. schedule. Full clean shutdown sequence. Number 5. Text expander replacements. Type email, expands to your full email address in any app automatically. Type sig, inserts your full signature wherever your cursor is. Built into Mac OS under System Settings, Keyboard, text replacements, 0 cost. Examples: EML, email, sig, signature, adder, home address. Works in every app. Your Mac automates all of this natively. Automator and Shortcuts are free and already installed. Set up text replacements first. 2 minutes and you never type your email address again. Follow for a new smart home tip every day.